Okay, freshmen. So your blog post is going to require an image. Most blogs have images in their final product, so you will need one as well. However, you can't just Google an image and throw it in. You have to find one that is free and available to use, and you also have to cite your image. So the example research that we have for you was done over avalanche survival. So we're going to quickly walk you through how to find a good image for that. So right now, I'm on your freshman survival research Weebly page. There are two really good sources you can go for images. The first one I'm going to take you to is Encyclopedia Britannica. So if you follow this link to Encyclopedia Britannica and you click on Britannica School and select high school, we can search in the box avalanche. So Encyclopedia Britannica has lots of resources, and along the edge you should remember that you can select. So I'm going to click on images. So right here we have 5 images that we can use. So I just want kind of a general image for my blog. So I'm going to choose the snow avalanche on Mount, and I'm going to try and say that, Utah. And here's your image. So if you want this image, I would recommend saving this image into your drive. I know you guys are using a Chromebook, so I can't exactly show you how to do that, but I would save it to your drive so you don't lose it. But then over here, you have to click Cite. You're going to use the MLA citation. So you need to highlight that and copy it into the Google Doc that you're writing your rough draft of your blog post on. That way you have it, and when you make your works cited page, you can include this with the sources you use, but you do have to cite your images. So Encyclopedia Britannica has really good images. The other option is you can just do a Google image search. It's a little trickier though. So I can go to Google and I can search avalanche. But I'm going to have to select images. And then I can't just use these pictures because these may be copyrighted, these may be paid for. So what you need to do is go up into your tools in the top right corner, and there's a little button called usage rights. Right now they're not filtered by license, but we're going to label for reuse. You're not going to modify it, so we're just going to do labeled for reuse, and it's going to sort out all the pictures that aren't available. So let's say we like this picture of an avalanche. So it's Yellowstone National Park. So again, save that picture somewhere where you know you'll have access to it in your Google Drive. And then to cite this, though, you're going to have to actually click on the picture and it will open where it came from. This is the link that you're going to use in EasyBib to cite your picture, okay? Do not just cite the Google search, cite the home of the picture. So you have to go to the home of the picture. So the title would be Avalanche on Sylvan Pass, and here's the link. So 2 good ways to get pictures. Make sure you save them to your drive and make sure that you cite them.